In this property tour, I'm gonna show you what $28,000 a month gets you in Point Loma. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath with your own private office, and everything in this home is absolutely stunning, including my favorite part, the backyard. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into the tour so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so let's talk about this kitchen. Massive, beautiful, stunning kitchen. Couple of things I wanna highlight here that you'll see in the video. They have 2 types of cabinetry. The base level cabinetry, everything off the floor, is gonna be a light wood finish. Everything that's above the backsplash is gonna be a white cabinetry. It's a really, really awesome aesthetic approach with regards to style of mixing these up. I see this from time to time. It's very, very rare. And if I do see it, it's usually in new construction, which we don't have a lot of here in San Diego. Something I never see is the choice of brass in the kitchen. They use it in the sink and the faucet. They also have a paper towel roller right next to the sink, which is also in brass. Beautiful decision to go this route. Unlike most kitchens that you see stainless steel appliances, not here. They actually have white appliances to go with the upper countertops with a brushed brass finish for the knobs and the handles, which kind of ties in the whole brass finish that they have throughout the entire kitchen. There's also this really unique light that goes over the island, and what's really awesome with that is, watch this. With the switch, you can toggle 3 different times and get 3 different light profiles for the bulbs that are inside of the lamps in this light. Attention to detail like this, you just rarely ever find. Now, the stone that they chose to go with for the countertops, the island, and the backsplash is very complementing to the theme of the house. So they have darker wood floors, which you don't see very often nowadays. In the stone, they actually have lines of brown and light brown. So when you look at the floor and the stone together, it really melds beautifully well. It's also wonderful how they tied in with the staple style island, enough space for you to tuck in these chairs underneath it rather than only resorting to the dining space for seating area. One of the things I like about this space is that you have these bifold doors where you just open, push, push, and then watch this. You can accordion these doors all the way open. And it just makes this space that much more enjoyable. Now, personally, I would scoot all of this back about 10 to 12 inches to line up with this and the very top of the island. And that would also just give a little bit more of a spacer there. But outside that, what a wonderful idea. Oftentimes spaces like this will be left open and not utilized. And the stager did a wonderful job showing what you can use this space for. And I think it was so creative, so inventive, and something that should be in a magazine. And then when you're done with it all, you can just shut these doors super, super easily, like this. You pull the handle shut, you lock down. Pull the handle shut, lock down. The only other thing I can think of that they could do in this space, just to eliminate the number of flies and bugs that get in, was to have screens, but I'm not sure how they would even do that if they could. There's no space to run them that way. They would have to build the wall out to have them be like disappearing screens. So for what they had available here, this is a wonderful choice and a job done. Upstairs living areas, it's kind of a dying fad. I saw it in the early 2000s, done a lot throughout various areas and developments in like Del Mar, Torrey Pines, even in Carlsbad, and then a lot of them in South Bay near Eastlake. You could put a wall right here, enclose this. There's even a closet, you can see it right there, and do like a Jack and Jill bathroom. Just have a door from the stairs right into this space. But I think this is great. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. Like, do you really need a 5th bedroom? I get that one of the bedrooms is an office, but that's okay. Like, I guess if you really needed the 5th bedroom because you're gonna keep an office, then go ahead and close this in and create the best of it. But this area just does so wonderful for upstairs living space. It's got this big, beautiful window here to allow in lots of natural light. It's got an accessible bathroom so people don't have to go into a bedroom to access a bathroom if they're up here. Also, it has really easy access to the first roof deck that's right out the door there. Okay, what's really great about this primary is the massive amount of space. So you have this queen size bed. You can clearly do a king size. You can even do the grandma, grandpa king size where it's two individual ones that oscillate up and down on their own. You also have plenty of room with these end tables on both sides, windows on both sides of the bed. Then you have this massively sweeping sliding glass door. It's 4 panels. It's gotta be 12 to 16 feet with 2 of the panels that open, just widening the amount of space that you have that allows all that fresh air in. What is really nice also is that they put the stairs to the top roof deck right down the middle, so it separates this space from the outdoor roof space of the bedroom on the other side. You could block the space in. I don't know that it's really necessary, but you could if you really wanted the extra privacy. I also like how they did the built-ins here. So you do have a walk-in closet in the bathroom that is very sizable, but these buildings do provide that extra space if you wanted it. Last detail of the bedroom is the sliding door. So barn doors are a big thing, but what's really not attractive is the hinges that they operate off of, the hanging hinges. These hinges are hidden, so instead of having to deal with the radius of a swinging door, they did a barn style door that slides, but the hardware is hidden. Let's talk about this bathroom. Very, very stunning. One interesting thing is the shower bath area is beautiful. It has this very, very large window, and the neighbors in the back have like a direct line of sight. So you probably want to get some blinds for that, unless that is I don't know, maybe it's an extra income generator for you or something. What's absolutely wonderful is that they use the tile in the shower area to wrap the entire wall. So it's not like the shower area only, then it ends at the shower and then it's just drywall. It's the entire bathroom. It's beautiful. It's a great choice of tile. They're very large tiles, so you don't have like really big grout lines or excessive grout lines, and it's just a beautifully delivered aesthetic to a wonderfully laid out bathroom that accompanies a primary bedroom. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home located in Point Loma with sweeping views of the Point Loma hillside, harbor, and downtown San Diego. If you're interested in taking a private tour of this home, or if you're just interested in making an offer outright, contact me directly. Now that's it for the tour. If you're thinking of selling or buying anywhere here in San Diego, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm Karl, your San Diego Realtor. I'll see you in the next video.